I really hope it's not flipped, because if it is, then we will only have audio.
Okay.
If it is flipped, I'm gonna like, I'll draw like stick figures the whole video.
Well, hopefully that doesn't have to happen.
Yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back to Pokemon GXG, where we're gonna be opening up more packs. Yay!
Yay!
Alright, this week we got Armarouge
EX Premium Collection. Alright, here you go. Comes out with the whole evolution set. One of them being an EX card. Oops, I turned it around.
I think they scored.
Let's say?
Yeah. Quick intermission. Don't touch it.
These aren't packs.
Getting a little too close. Ooh, very nice.
And 600 sheets. Or, I mean 60.
600.
Whew.
I'm opening up Obsidian Flames.
Oh, I guess I'll just follow you.
Oh, okay.
Alright, good luck to us. Ready,
Yes,
go!
Ooh, very nice.
My last is a hollow.
I got a full art card.
How'd you not? What the?
What?
You put it down and didn't even look at it.
No, I did.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Okay. Look at that.
Ooh, very nice.
My last is a hollow.
Full art card, guys.
I haven't seen that one yet. That one looks sick.
Very nice.
Alright. Is it like in a heat wave or something?
Yeah.
It's kind of cool.
Fire. Among Us. Very nice.
My arm's getting tired.
Hang in there.
They take too long. Let's go.
It's one of those times where I'm just like, I just think it's so funny. I almost got it. Okay, I got it. Alright, last pack. Saving the best for last. Hopefully.
That's it. That's the video, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed.
Hopefully.
And we'll see you guys in
the next one. Bye, guys.
Bye.
I think it's because you touched it. I have something in my nose. Don't put that in. What? Anyways.